Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know which tablet is best for long-term usage. They want to use their tablet for at least 4 years. So they are asking me whether they should go for Android tablets such as Samsung or OnePlus or MI, or they should go for iPad such as iPad 9th generation or iPad 10th generation or iPad Air. If you have a tight budget of 30,000 rupees and you cannot stretch your budget, in that case there are two options that you can buy. Either you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or you can buy iPad 10th generation. Both the tablets have their good points and bad points. Today in this video I will talk which tablet will be best for you for long-term usage. If you want a bigger display, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus will be best for you because it has 12.4 inches LCD display and the quality of the display is top-notch. As the display is bigger, you will have a great multimedia experience on this tablet, be it content watching or any other stuff like writing notes on your tablet. I have played some HDR videos on YouTube and it plays very well. Actually, YouTube videos looks gorgeous on this display, but you cannot play 4K 60 FPS video. If you play in 4K, it will stutter a bit. So the best ratio is 1080p 60 FPS, and that will be very good for this kind of tablet as it comes with Exynos 1380. The processor is not capable to play 4K 60 FPS video. On the other hand, if you buy iPad 10th generation, you will have 10.9 inches non-laminated LCD display and the display quality is excellent. Personally, I like the display of iPad 10th generations more because it is vibrant. This tablet cannot play HDR videos, it will be played in non-HDR mode. However, it can handle 4K 60 FPS videos with ease as it comes with A14 Bionic chipset. The very powerful chipset will handle every task with ease. Multimedia consumption on this tablet is equally good, so you will have a great time enjoying everything, be it YouTube or any other OTT shows. And if you compare the two displays side by side, you can see that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus produce cooler tone, and on the other hand iPad 10th generation produces little bit warmer tone. However, you can see that the 4K 60 FPS video is stuttering. So the display of iPad 10th generation is better than that of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 10,000 plus mAh battery and the battery backup of this tablet is excellent. You will get 10 hours plus SOT on a single charge. On the other hand, the battery life of iPad 10th generation is also very good. If you can customize some settings, you will get 7 to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is incredible. One area where Tab S9 FE Plus is better than iPad 10th generation is the note-taking experience. Actually, I find it very convenient to write on the display of Tab S9 FE Plus and the writing experience is very good. Plus, you will get S Pen in the box free of cost, so you don't have to pay extra amount to buy a pen. So if you are a student, you will get all the accessories inside the box of Tab S9 FE Plus. Plus, the Samsung Note app is very feature rich. I have made a dedicated video on Samsung Note app and the note-taking experience of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So if you are interested to watch that video, links are in the description below. On the other hand, on iPad 10th generation, you will not get anything in the box. You have to buy either iPencil or third-party iPencil. I have bought this third-party iPencil, that is King One pencil, and I am getting a very good experience using this iPencil. This is very good in terms of charging capacity, and also the writing experience is equally good using this pencil. If you have not used any Samsung tablets with S Pen, you will not feel the difference, but I have used Tab S9 FE Plus, so I know that the writing experience is better on Tab S9 FE Plus compared to iPad 10th generation. However, you will not feel so if you are using only one tablet, either Tab S9 FE Plus or iPad 10th generation. With latest iPad OS 18.1, many features have been included in the Note app, so this is very feature rich after every update. Now if you talk about the storage, actually iPad 10th generation comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which will be filled up in no time. So you will have to remove things at regular intervals, or you can use external SSD or pen drive with Type-C port, or you can use iCloud storage. You have to buy iCloud storage for 50 GB by paying 75 rupees per month. This is an annoying matter. You will have only 64 GB in 2024, which is very less. So I think they should have given at least 128 GB. But if you want to buy the 256 GB version, you have to pay 15,000 extra. That is not possible for many users. On the other hand, Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 128 GB of internal storage, plus you have the option of increasing the storage via SD card. So this is an added advantage for this tablet, and storage will not be an issue in this tablet. You can store up to 1 TB of storage via SD card, plus you can use SSD, or you can buy Google Drive storage. So finally, in the conclusion, which tablet is long lasting or you should buy for long term usage, you have to select your priorities. If you want a bigger display and with good storage, and you can adjust with the processor, and with good note taking experience, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. But if you want a compact size tablet with better processor and good software updates and long term usage, in that case iPad 10th generation will be ideal for you. If you are a student, actually iPad will be best for you because it will give the value of your money, and you will use this tablet for at least 4 years. However, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is not a bad tablet at all, but in the long run I think iPad is the best choice. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you prefer most and which tablet you are preparing to buy during offers. And if you want to know about the best offers on tablets, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on, so that you do not miss any video whenever I upload any video on offers on tablets and smartphones. Hope this video has become informative and it helps you to decide which tablet you should buy during offers. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have any questions regarding these two tablets. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.